Okay, so final case study and course wrap up. So we are doing digital marketing fundamentals. We have summarizing all of this. We went through introduction, key terms and concepts about paid, owned, and earned media. What types of media essentially we can a brand can use. So breaking it down into like three essential types depending on the ownership and categorizing them accordingly. Then we essentially from the lower classes we like the next modules. I mean, by the next modules we essentially did saw that the there's a trend shift, there's a power shift which is going on from traditional marketing to digital marketing, from the brand to the consumers. Now, consumers have a lot of power in their hand. Just one bad review on Google might keep a lot of customers from doing business with a particular brand. So reviews are very powerful nowadays. So when we are doing marketing, this is digital age, mobile is the new era, and then mostly teenagers, your age group are coming up. They are the trendsetters. They are setting up trends. As you know, a funny incident which is like going around in the world is about USA, the woke culture. Things are getting confused about their own gender. So, so things like that, those are becoming the trends. That's how people are connecting themselves over things like that. So it's mostly the teenagers which are affecting all of this. There's marketing shift from traditional to it started raining. So from traditional marketing to digital medium, and after that we looked at the tools. So we know that there's ISO certification for privacy concerns. There are certifications like that. There are essentially like legal way of doing marketing, and there's a psychology involved in it. And essentially after that we saw how we do it in state in terms of creating digital and social media strategy, kind of like the strategies that we have to make, and then the content that we create a copy, then from the copy we create the content. So the content, the final deliverable will be your images, maybe your videos, maybe you will schedule the posts. So those are essentially the tools that we are doing, and then the platform specific tasks. So Instagram has its own process. We went through that. Google has its own process. We went through that. So Facebook also, Meta, Facebook and Instagram are within Meta. So Meta has their own process. So we went through those steps. So essentially, from the class, why we do theory? Because the tools are essentially which are helping you to do the things, and the thing essentially is about taking our world from one place to another. Like communication is the main reason why marketing happens. So we are essentially doing communication design, and that with marketing we are sort of aiding in that communication by pushing it, by taking it to more and more people. maybe push won't be the correct word because we have permission marketing as well. So we take permission. So we are just taking that word, taking that content to more and more people. And the tools, the platforms, we will choose accordingly. Either Twitter, either TikTok, or either Instagram. So those are essentially the platforms, and then Adobe, Canva, then Buffer. Those are essentially the tools that we are using to create the content. So uh, in this class, essentially we're just doing a case study. We are discussing about a brand. So Freestyle Wear that is launching its first online marketing campaign. So in this assignment, we will be doing assignment in terms of that you are assigned assignment. Maybe we can also do that, keep that as an assignment for you for the later this. But then no, okay, we will think about that later. But then because I want to go through this by myself with you all, I want we guys to do it together. So we are creating strategy development, then channels selection, content creation, and success measurement. So success measurement is analytics we have been doing in the previous classes. So today we essentially will be developing the strategy development. We have done channel selection, we have done content creation. Okay. So this is the information that we have about this brand. So there's no such brand. It's just a word. It's just a brand name that I just created. Like sort of AI helped me suggest this name. So I liked it. So I used it. So I just generated the name using AI. So I selected it. So Freestyle Wears a brand identity centers on affordable modern fashion influenced by Ugandan heritage. The unique selling proposition is emphasizing cultural relevance while maintaining style and affordability, appealing to youth aged 18 to 30. Okay, let's complete this, then I will come back to that. Thanks, Ahapwe. So the brand's persona enhances relational marketing efforts and position itself distinctly in a competitive landscape. So let's go through all of the information that we have. Then we will come upon what we have understood about the brand. So the primary demographic comprises urban youth who are mobile first, tech savvy, and express their identity through fashion. So essentially, what we are doing is say we are going through information that we have about them into their shopping behaviors, preferences, engagement with online content will guide the campaign's message and selection. Let's go through, keep this as we are looking at keywords as well. So fashion, urban, maybe we could mobile first too, but in a different that. So that's the target audience. Express their identity. So these all in different terms, say the company or the brand you would be working for, they would be giving you documents. The documents won't be like this, of course. This is which is curated for a class. Let's go back. Affordable modern fashion. Okay. So we are to create. Those are, we will come to it later. So then essentially we will collate everything that we know in one document. So let's just copy paste the information that we have for now. So then we break it more down. So affordable, modern fashion, influenced by. So this is everything that we know, or the information that's important for us from the document. So there are, say, like brand guidelines document, and then brand information. It will be info about that brand, maybe their website, like that. So we were doing examples from our own brand. So the same thing, if we have to do it for another brand, which is like a brand, then we are skimming through the information that we have, and then we get affordable modern fashion influenced by Ugandan heritage. It's about style and affordability. So that is like their say USP. USP will be unique value proposition would be. So now we will be creating content for this. So like the content creators, they will be coming up with contents about copy content, and then we will create the image, the videos, and all. So say when we are creating a campaign, then we'll be talking about since it's influenced by Ugandan heritage. Let's say there will be maybe Ugandan heritage motif. So there are patterns, cultural patterns. Those are like heritage patterns. So maybe we use patterns to create that like that those campaigns, the images and all. And then we are of course when they are doing this, when they are the clothing brand, then the clothes design also, they will have their own designs. So those designs also we can incorporate into our content. Like we will have to incorporate those t-shirts basically, if it's t-shirts, dresses, and all those fashion garments. So then, since we know that it is mobile first, so we come to platforms. So platforms, we have to work on the platforms because like that's essentially where we will be posting our content. So what we can also do is say for their brand which don't have anything, we make we can go to website, social media platforms, uh, say video platforms like YouTube, maybe Vimeo. No, let's chuck Vimeo. We'll just keep on YouTube. We'll do it the. Since it's mobile first, tech savvy, so maybe we just keep it TikTok and Instagram. That's perfect for mobile. And it says 18 to 30 if we target gamers and all. No, that's, yeah, I think so. Discord has mobile this too, right?
Maybe.
Okay, I'm just like sort of keeping it there. So now from here we know the. I'm just writing a type. I'm just saying it content deliverables. But you all might have your own words when you're delivering. So essentially, those are deliverables. That's how I see it. Or we can also call it just content, maybe. Content. Say we call it specs. Let's call it specs. Content. Say specific. These mostly things we are doing it back end. So we have content specifications. We will for TikTok we do vertical videos. That's then we do a 1350 1080. That's 4:5 or 5:4 probably. Then again, we also will have, I think, just 15 seconds, right? YouTube Shorts. Then there will be more detailed specifications when we create that. Before we start our content creation process, we have to keep these specifications, because those are the things that we will need when you guys are doing for yourself. Then you can also do the backdoor process, which is essentially like you go directly start a campaign, and then it will ask you what you need, and that according to that you just create and then you upload. And like once you get to know what things you will be requiring, then you can like further try another campaign for yourself, and sort of see that it fits well. As experimentation, maybe you can try working it out on your own service, and on your own products that you have. You can try creating ad campaigns and put. We should always start with as minimum budget as we can. But as minimum budget as the platform takes. If the platform takes in like in shillings, I don't know how much will be considered less, but maybe if it takes 100 shillings, then let it be 100 shillings. Try for 100 shillings itself. Do it for as less days as you can. Maybe you can also put you can also top up your money there, and then you can also stop the ad in between, and then the ad will be spending from your top up on a per day basis. So like it will keep on deducting your from your top up. It's just like on yeah, just like on a car. So as you drive, you are essentially using up your fuel. So in that manner, that's why you can just top up on your social for your social ads, and then once you publish your ad, then you notice where you will see the previews and all. Also before that, you can see the data analytics analysis yourself after 1 day or 2 day, and then you can pause it or you can stop it. And then you can, maybe if you know how to then going through that data, then you can further enhance it, and you can start another campaign. or you can modify that campaign to a certain bit itself. You can change the content. And say we are calling it scope. Launching its first online marketing campaign. Oh, that's the objective. Driving traffic to the e-commerce website and boosting sales. So then we create the campaign strategy. So there also will be like templates for faster. Strategic planning, those I don't know if it's not sure if it's there. Anyways, like this, we already did it with ChatGPT. So using ChatGPT things, it will increase your productivity. It's not that you have to use the document, but essentially we will. Yeah, but this way manual is you have to do the manual. This one you have to go through this at least till here. That's from the strategy part. You can use chat GPT, but at least this first page you have to do because you will be needing this even to feed in the in chat GPT. So let's try that. That way it'll be more productive. Okay, so that's how I like to call it. Oh, I forgot one thing. Using inverted commas usually tell the system that it's like it's one piece of information together. So that we got a campaign, its campaign name on your vibe. So we got the goal, the target audience is set. This though we will be using it also when we are creating the campaign, when we are entering the figures in those tools. And in this case, so there we have even the content calendar. This we did it in an Excel sheet in one of the classes before. So we had to do it all everything manually before. So we also used to omit some of the things that we don't need. So when we do it custom, then it's usually like that. We can also train AI to do just that. So we have like 30 days. It's like 30-day content calendar. Say if we do not need a 30-day like one post every day, we can also do like let's call it So this is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It showed the formats because we have also feeded that we'll be doing it in IG, TikTok, and Shorts, YouTube Shorts. Now, when we have this, then again we can use this, or we can just ask, please create copy for week one, day one. Week one, day one. Post is brand intro UVP reel. It's also thing what the AI can do. Why it's called AI. So it's a brand intro UVP Ugandan tool root global style. So it has also given options for the tag. CTA button copy on text screen plus caption timed with visuals. Okay, this was a reel. Okay. One TikTok shorts. Okay. So I have not tried this myself, but then let's try. What's the name of the website again? Mm, Human Five. It's a fashion brand with African. No, maybe we'll have to change essentially to this, but then we are doing a reel 1916, I think. Okay. Okay. For that detail, we'll have to create this. I think, like I myself, I create custom made ones. The clients usually need that. Name the got it. No. Mm, okay. But it already said that it's not to paste instructions, but then let's see. Okay. We have the morning music built for the bold style, soul, affordability, a freestyle wear. Own your vibe at freestyle.com. Born in London, server captures the scene built for the bold soul. About 52 seconds. I wanted about 30 seconds, but then still, let's see. Okay, let's on your free plan. Let's go. It's called active video.
Born in Uganda, Afro-style wear captures the essence of urban fashion.
Select design, shuffle colors. Mm, Okay, let's see. We go to publish. It's taking time. It's 52 seconds. 1 minute 11 seconds. Okay, that's with.
Born in Uganda, Afro-style wear captures the essence of urban fashion. Picture vibrant. Born in Uganda, Afro-style wear captures the essence of urban fashion. Picture vibrant city streets, where youth walk confidently, showcasing their unique style. It's a celebration of culture and creativity. Built for the bold, Afro-style wear is more than just clothing. It's a statement. With each piece, you embrace a fearless attitude, ready to take on the world with confidence and flair. Style, soul, and affordability define Afro-style wear. Every garment tells a story, woven with rich textures and intricate stitching. It's fashion-forward yet accessible, allowing everyone to express their individuality without breaking the bank. Afro-Style Wear is a brand that embodies the spirit of Kampala's street culture. Imagine a montage of smiling faces, movement, and dance, all set to an upbeat Afrobeat rhythm. It's a dynamic fusion of tradition and modernity. Own your vibe with Afro-Style Wear. Visit afrostyle.com to explore our collection. As the brand logo shimmers into view, remember it's not just about wearing clothes, it's about owning your unique style. Embrace the bold, the vibrant, the extraordinary.
Okay, so maybe we had to. Yeah, we can if we are targeting people in, say, they had a wide variety of like people. It's like from region wise also, because it's, say, like there are Asians. Maybe if we are doing to we are, say, we are creating a campaign, creating that within that 30-day campaign itself, if we are trying to publish ads in targeted to, if we are selling globally, if every style is selling globally, then if the ad is running in Asian countries, then maybe we'll be using more of like Asian, maybe in Philippines and those places, so that people will be able to connect to it more. Then those are maybe like for Europe and all, these all footages would be good, because it's AI generated, so the footages are not like that relevant. Let's try. See. We should be able to change the. Okay, it can be changed. So changing is pretty easy. Yeah, so then we publish it back again. So here we have the video, and then we will essentially publish it through the platform of our choices, and then we'll be creating according to the plan that we got in here. So we'll be publishing ads, posting the content. The rest steps also we have done. Let's call it a marketing campaign. It's marketing campaign. Okay. When we are doing channel selection, we are also uh, like creating strategies for search engines. So essentially, we'll be to optimize it in search engines. Of course, when we are doing for the brand, then we are working on the website. So on the website, we are doing it like SEO, technical SEO. We have the speed, and maybe payment gateway, SSL, and things like that. So essentially, if the web developers are good, and like this portion would be already taken care of in most of the cases. In some of the cases, we have to let the brand know, let our client know that even there's an aspect with the technical SEO, and we need to increase the speed And for the payment gateway integrations, there should be secured server line, so SSL. That's the HTTPS that we see on our browsers evolve. Then there's WhatsApp business as well. Even WhatsApp business can be handled from WhatsApp itself. There's business catalog and certain features we can also get it. We can get it on Meta, but yeah, Meta. But there it won't be we won't be able to control it. It's still not running there. But yeah, essentially for WhatsApp, you can use WhatsApp and then you can create the catalogs there for every style, and as well as for the campaigns, we can like for the campaigns we can either get a call or get inquiries, push them. We can take them to our website. Um, since we are working on the campaign which is to driving traffic to the e-commerce site, so we will try to take them to the websites directly. So when we are setting up the WhatsApp business, say somebody inquires something, maybe for bots also we can use WhatsApp business, and for customer service and things like that. When somebody is doing purchases also for support. Direct queries, customer support, and catalog sharing. So facilitates this one is yes, facilitates a seamless communication experience. This channel will also instant interaction. We get instant instruction, addressing customer inquiries promptly. And then we are doing content development. This like it's there in the PDF. So after the class, you can go through it and then work on it yourself. Yes. So do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Do try working on it. I'll be sharing the content, class content PDF. Wish he got disconnected. Okay. 3, 4, 5, yes. Okay. Okay. So I hope you all have got something valuable from all of our classes. I wish you luck for your exams and best of skills all throughout your life and career. Maybe next time we will meet some other reason. If you still need personal branding, content strategy, social media marketing plan, perfect. Right. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no, I was saying to Ramula, I was not done like with my dialogue, with my final dialogue. I just want to wish you guys. I just want to wish you guys all the best of your luck, and then all of your skills. Keep learning. Learning never ends. And then for the content creation, now with AI, things are changing, and then we should not there's a debate going on that like graphics designers will be losing jobs, videos those will be losing jobs. Yes, they will be if they are only concentrating on the tools. So it's about productivity. We use tools to increase our productivity. We have wheels because it increases, it takes us to one place to another in a faster way. We use hammer and chisel because it helps us to break stone faster than we can break with our own hands. So we use tools to increase our productivity, and AI can be used to increase our productivity. So we should be using AI and become faster at it. And also with that, we have to remember about the psychological aspect of it, and then it's about the power shift. The consumers are in power. We should be sort of going with the flow with the system. There are legalities, there's ISO standards, and all of those. Yeah. So basically that what it will be summarizing my class. And thank you, Ahabwe. I have gone through your summarization, and thank you, Ramula, too. We'll see you around, all four of you, all 30 of you guys. If you have any problem before your exams, also you can leave me a message in WhatsApp. I will try to reply and tend to your like issues as fast as I can. Sometimes it does takes me time to get to WhatsApp and reply. Yeah. Okay. Okay then. You guys have a good day ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.